Hello everyone. So it's story time now. In this video, you will find explanation of the chapter Old Man at the Bridge, which is written by Ernest Hemingway. Ernest Miller Hemingway was a short story writer, a novelist, and also a journalist. Old Man at the Bridge is one of the shortest story of Ernest Hemingway's short story. This story demonstrates the power of narrative art of Hemingway. The old man in the story is a symbol of the civilian victims of war who are without politics, that is, without any political view. This story depicts the tragedy of war. The story is a conversation between a soldier and an old man who has to leave his hometown during the Spanish Civil War. The story takes place on a bridge and is full of symbols and imagery, which you will understand when I explain the story in details. Now, let's come to the detailed explanation of the text. First, take down the meanings of the difficult words. Steel rimmed, having steel frames. Pontoon bridge. It's a bridge made of large hollow containers filled with air. It is a temporary bridge. Staggered, moved unsteadily. Steep means slope. Plodded means walked slowly. The story takes place on a bridge. This setting symbolizes an obstacle to overcome. In this case, bridge is the border between life and death. The bridge symbolizes a link between life and death. People were being evacuated from the place because of war, and one of them was an old man. He had covered a long distance from his village to the bridge, and therefore his clothes were very dusty. Unable to walk any further, he sat by the side of the road. He had to cross the bridge, the pontoon bridge. Pontoon bridge is a temporary bridge. Everybody was crossing the bridge to go to the other side so that they can save their lives. The mule pulled the cart and the soldiers helped them by pushing the cart forward. The people and everybody was moving ahead except the old man, who did not have any energy to move further, and perhaps he was waiting there to meet his fate, that is death. The old man here is a victim of the war, who is hopeless and is ready to accept as it comes to him. It was the duty of the narrator, who is a soldier here, to cross the bridge and find out to what extent the enemies have approached. He did his job and returned, and still found that the old man was still there. The soldier wanted to help him, therefore started talking to him. The old man said that he belonged to San Carlos and he seemed very happy to pronounce the name of his hometown, and also added that he used to take care of animals there. The old man spoke about taking care of animals, but he did not look like the one who owns a herd or is a shepherd. Therefore, the soldier, being confused, wanted to know which animals it was he was taking care of. The old man said that there were a variety of animals that he looked after. When he was saying this, he seemed lost in his thought. On the other side, the soldier was wondering that when they would see the enemy and listen to the sound of their approach. The enemies were near, and the old man was still there, not ready to move ahead. The old man says that he had 2 goats, a cat, and 4 pairs of pigeons, and he had to leave them all unattended because he was forced to leave the place because of artillery. The soldier was wondering if the man had any family. At the same time, he was inspecting the bridge. The old man did not have any family. He had only animals to take care of. The old man says that the cat can take care of itself, but he was worried about the other animals. Here is a symbol. The cat is a symbol here. It symbolizes a survivor. As cats associated with thoughts of having 9 lives and are considered to be independent creatures. So, cat represents those people in the war who survives the war. The narrator asks the old man of his views regarding politics, but the old man confesses that he has no opinion regarding politics. He says that he is 76 years old and have walked 12 kilometers and is so tired that he cannot move any further. But the soldiers insist him to move further and find a safe place for himself. If you can make it there, trucks up the road where it forks for Tortosa. The soldier says that if he is able to walk and reach the road, he can find trucks over there which can take him to Tortosa, that is a Spanish city, where he can settle down and begin a new life. The old man preferred to rest there and then move further. When he came to know that the trucks goes to Barcelona, the old man seemed disappointed, as he says that there is no one in that place whom he knows, and at the age of 76, he preferred to meet death than to begin a new life all over again. The old man looked at the soldier tiredly and without any expressions. He wanted to talk to somebody, wanted to share his worries with somebody, and therefore spoke of his animals again. He says again that he is worried about the cat, but still he was worried about other animals. The old man is worried about his animals and says that what his animal should be doing in the place when he was asked to leave the place immediately because of the artillery. Here we have a symbol again, the dove. It symbolizes the one who are able to flee the war, that is, escape from the war and keep themselves safe. So this is the second symbol in the story. The old man was also worried about the goat. Goat is also a symbol here. It is an animal for sacrifice which symbolizes death of the numerous innocent victims of war. So a goat represents those victims of war who are left with no other option than to die. The old man stood up and he wanted to move, but he was so tired and exhausted that he swayed from side to side and sat back on the soil and started murmuring about his worries regarding his animals again. The soldier wanted to help him, but he was unable. It was Easter Sunday and the fascists were advancing towards the Ebro. Fascist means the people who support fascism, an ideology which favors a strong government. Easter Sunday is a day when Jesus rose from the dead on the 3rd day after he was crucified. It is a day usually considered to be the time of rebirth and renewal. But for the old man and his animals, it was a time for death. So, there is an irony in this situation. The day, which was supposed to be the day of birth, it is a day of death for the old man and his animals. It was a grey overcast, means it was a cloudy and dull day with low ceiling, so their planes were not up and the height of the base cloud was very low. The only thing that made the old man happy was that the cats could take care of themselves. Different people in different way when the war breaks out. As for a cat, pigeon and a goat, nobody benefits out of war. There is always a tragic end of every war. With this, I end the explanation of the chapter Old Man at the Bridge. Thank you.